Tom, what's the matter?
Miss Loretta, you promised you wouldn't replace me. But then you went and had one update with that girl Erica, and some with nobody at all.
Tom, I won't replace you. I just don't want to ask for too much of your time. I need you to help me talk about law school admissions. But Gary and Erica still drop by to discuss other news about law schools.
Well, do you have any law school news to talk about with me?
I sure do. I just got back from the last 2 forums of the year, Los Angeles and Boston, and I learned some pretty interesting stuff. Most admissions officers gave as little information as possible, and a lot of schools had data sheets with last year's data, even though they have to know the new numbers by now.
So you think they're trying to hide something?
Yes. A lot of schools had big declines in applications. A bunch had declines in LSAT score too. I think they're afraid that if applicants perceive them as weak, that decline will get even worse.
Do you know which schools?
I'm gathering data on declines in applications and LSAT scores. That'll probably be my Christmas gift for this year. But I would never presume to guess which schools are trying to mislead and which are just slow publishing data.
Christmas? That's over a month away. Can't you tell us anything now?
Oh, I have a lot to say. Just look below the video. I have forum results and a few other tidbits.
Good. Let's go look.